Very good morning to all of you, dears. Welcome back in today's class. So, my dears, there is one more thing I am going to share with you today. This time, okay, if you have completed your course, but you have remained still one book, okay, you can see in your all-in-one, okay, there is supplementary reader book. So, you have to do that, okay, because you have been asked in this exam, and you have been asked in all exam about the supplementary reader book. So that's why I have sent you 3 to 4 lesson on supplementary reader book, and it is must to saw that lesson. Okay, I have sent like a home is a house. Okay, I have sent from supplementary reader book in my previous videos. So you learn, you should know. Okay, that you are going to face supplementary reader book also in the exam. Okay, you should learn it properly. So today again we are starting a lesson from supplementary reader book, The Happy Prince. Okay, and it is composed by what name, by Oscar Wilde. Okay, so we are going to start new lesson, The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince. Okay, if we hear the name The Happy Prince, means we come to know that there was a prince who was very happy. Okay, so yes, absolutely right. So we are going to start a story. So if we talk about the prince, Happy Prince. So why the prince called happy? Because he was the prince. Okay, he ruled over his kingdom. Okay, but he didn't show out of his palace. So the prince was there in his palace. He had all the comfort in his palace. Okay, and he had many servants, courtiers, okay, followers in his royal palace. He had been living in his royal palace. Okay, he didn't see the face of misery. Okay, because he was prince, he had all comforts, he led luxurious life, he had everything, okay, in his life. So he was living in his royal palace only, and he had been living in his royal palace, okay, by birth. So there was no any work to go outside for him. He didn't go outside of the palace, so he didn't see the misery of the people, he didn't see the poverty of the people. Okay, he didn't care for his subject, he didn't care for his subjects misery or poverty. Okay, and he didn't saw the dwellings of his subject, how they are living, how they are exploiting. Okay, how their life turned to poor. Okay, how they were in misery. Okay, so he didn't care for that because he was prince, he was happy prince. He always happy. Okay, in his royal palace he had all the comforts, he led a luxurious life, he led a luxurious life in his royal palace. So one day when he is died, okay, so after his death, okay, after his death, his kingdom people, okay, after his death, as he was prince, okay, so his statue was kept, his statue was stand uh, in the city on a higher platform. Okay, so after his death, on a higher platform, on there were big pillars. Okay, there were four big pillars. So on a higher platform, okay, they made Happy Prince statue. Okay, so there was a statue of Happy Prince after his death on a higher platform in the city, and from where he could see whole the city. Okay, that he couldn't see when he was alive. So when he was alive, he didn't help to anyone. He didn't care for his subject. He didn't help to poor people. He didn't care for poverty-stricken people. Okay, he didn't care for his subjects' misery when he was alive. But now he was in the form of a statue. He had been kept on a higher platform of the city, so from where he could see the misery of the people, he could see the suffering of the people from where. Okay, so he was unset. Okay, he was unset, he was unhappy because his subject were suffering from poverty. Okay, suffering from discrimination or exploitation, and his subject, his people, his city's people were poor and frightened. Okay, and they are miser. Okay, they have misery in them. So what to do? So if we talk about Happy Prince, so Happy Prince statue fully covered with fine gold. Okay, if we talk about his gown, so his gown was fully covered, his statue was made by precious metal, Happy Prince statue was made by precious metal. His statue was fully covered with gold material. Okay, and there were leaves of gold. Okay, there were leaves of gold embroidered in his gown. Okay, and if we talk about his eyes, so his eyes were made of two sapphires. There were two sapphires in his eyes. Two sapphires means blue color precious stone. And there was a big ruby, red color precious stone in his sword. In his sword handle. In his sword handle, the sword handle attached with a ruby, red color precious stone. And there were two sapphires, two blue color precious stone were there in his eyes. Okay, and his whole the body covered with fine gold. Okay, and if we talk about his gown, okay, so the gown was also adorned with fine leaves of gold. So that's why it was the precious, okay, super precious, most precious statue in the city. But he was unhappy because he couldn't help to his people, okay, who were suffering from misery or poverty. Okay, so then it was about Happy Prince. Then there is one more character we have, this swallow word. So it is a migratory word. So there was a swallow word who was spending his summer days, okay, uh, on a particular place. Okay, and it was the time of arrival of winter. So his all the friends left to swallow. Okay, and they rushed for Egypt. Okay, because now they were in search of, the group of the swallow birds was in search of hot place, in search of hot place, because it was the time of arrival of winter, chilly winter, so they can die. Okay, they can die, that's why they have to migrate from there, and they are a migratory word. So the group of the swallow word migrated from the place, okay, where they had winter, where they are going to face winter, hard chilly winter, so they can die, so they left for hot place like Egypt. But the swallow word, the particular individual swallow word lived there, because he was deeply fell love with a cylindrical reed. There was a cylindrical reed. Okay, reed, R-E-E-D. There was a cylindrical reed. Okay, there was a reed, and to the reed he was fell love. Okay, he was fallen in love with reed. So he was there. Okay, but when it was the time of arrival of winter, so the reed had died. Okay, so now he had to leave to Egypt. He had to leave the place, and now he had to fly for Egypt, for safe place, for warm place. So then he started flying. So when he was flying, so he was continuously flying from morning he started, and at the time of evening he had to stay. He had to stay for night because he was tired. So he stayed where there was a place of Happy Prince. There was a statue of Happy Prince. So first he stayed. He had to stay his night. He had to stay for night. So he chose a place where there was a statue of Happy Prince. Okay, so he slept under Happy Prince statue leg. Okay, so Happy Prince statue was standing, so he slept, okay, behind it. Okay, he was going to sleep, okay, behind Happy Prince statue. In between his two legs there was a place, in between the statue's two legs there was a place where he was going to sleep. So as he trying to sleep, so he feel a droplet of water. Okay, he feel a droplet of water on his cheek. Okay, so he shocked, he amazed, the sky is clear, so from where the water droplet, from where it is raining, from where the water droplet came. Then he again trying to sleep, so he again feel water droplet on his cheek twice. Okay, so that time he again shocked, and he fly to top. He wanted to see from where the water is coming, from where it is raining, but the sky is clearly visible. The sky is already clear, and the stars are twinkling. So from where the water droplet are coming? So he saw that when he came up, when he fly up, so he saw that Happy Prince was crying. Happy Prince was crying. The statue was crying. So he asked, "Why you are crying?" Okay, so then Happy Prince just told to him that, "My dear, when I was alive, when I was a prince, so that time I didn't care for my subjects' misery. I didn't care for my people's misery or their poverty. But now I turn to, after my death, I turn to a statue. Okay, and that time I had everything to help, but I couldn't help. Okay, because I couldn't see outside. I couldn't go outside for leaving, for checking, for seeing people's condition, for checking my people, my countrymen misery. Okay, but now also I have everything at my statue, but I couldn't help. That time I was alive, I can help, but I couldn't. But this time I have everything. I adorn with fine gold of leaves, but I am mortal. Okay, but I am only soul. I couldn't help to the people. Okay, and when I was alive, I couldn't see people's misery. But this time, I am situated on higher platform. From here, I can see everyone's misery or poor condition. But what to do? I cannot help. But my statue is adorned with fine golds. Okay, fine leaves of gold. Okay, gold leaves, and there are two sapphire precious stone in my eyes, and it my swords silt swords handle, there is ruby also add on with. But how to help? So can you please help me? Can you stay for some time? But Solo replied, if suppose I stayed here, so I could die. Okay, I would die because it's time of chilly winter. So then he requested to stay for some days. Okay, so the Solo agreed because it was a noble cause, and Solo wanted to help to Happy Prince. Okay, and it was a noble cause, so he was agreed. So he had a one duty to go to city and check about people's misery and inform to Happy Prince. Okay, so one day he went to in the city, and he saw there was a seamstress. Seamstress means lady tailor, who had job to stitch, who had job to stitch, who had job to stitch seamstress. Okay, who had job to stitch the princess gown. Okay, and her servant's gown. She had a job to stitch. She was a lady tailor, and she had a son, and the son was suffering from fever, and the son demanded for orange, but she had no money. She couldn't arrange orange for him. Okay, so the son had fever. So when the swallow saw her condition, so the swallow informed to Happy Prince, and Happy Prince give his ruby from the handle of the sword. He gave the ruby to Swallow, and Swallow just picked the ruby, and Swallow just gave and put the ruby at the place of seamstress. So after getting the ruby, seamstress was very happy. The lady tailor was very happy to get the ruby. Okay, uh, given by Swallow and helped by Happy Prince. Okay. Then second day he went inside the city, and he saw a person, a playwright, a person playwright. Okay, and the playwright was writing his play, but he had no money, and he couldn't eat for a long time. He was very hungry. He was very hungry. So he just informed to Happy Prince, and Happy Prince allow one of his sapphire from his eyes to playwright. So Swallow picked the sapphire and gave to the playwright. So playwright now turned to very happy because he had a help from Happy Prince and helped by Swallow. Then next day he went to the city, and the Swallow saw a mage girl, and she had job to sell matchstick, but she was crying because all of his matchstick, all of matches from matchstick, all of the matchsticks were the all of the matchsticks just dropped down in gutter. Okay, her matchsticks uh, dropped down in gutters. That's why she was crying. Okay, she was frightened. Her father would scold her or beat her because she had dropped all the matchsticks in gutter. Okay, So she was crying. So then Swallow informed to Happy Prince, and Happy Prince just allow Swallow to take one more sapphire. Okay, and in this way, Swallow gave the sapphire, one more sapphire from Happy Prince eyes to the mage girl, and mage girl was happy. Okay, so like that, they helped these three person. Then he asked, Happy Prince asked, if you wanted to go, you may go, because it's time of chilly winter. Maybe you would die. But now Swallow wanted to stay, because they were doing noble cause, they were doing noble deeds. So he wanted to help Happy Prince, and he had affection. He had lot of affection and love with Happy Prince. Okay, he had affection and love with Happy Prince. He wanted to help Happy Prince. So then, if we talk about the leaves on Happy Prince gown, so one by one, all the leaves were given by Happy Prince. Okay, by Swallow to needy ones. Okay, all the leaves from his gown, all the leaves from his gown, uh, all the leaves had been given. All the leaves of gold had given by Happy Prince, and Swallow just gave all the Swallow. Swallow was the person who just went to city. Okay, who had job to go city, and who distribute. Swallow distribute all the leaves of gold to the needy ones. So the needy ones, all the needy ones, all the poor were helped by, okay, helped by Happy Prince, by giving them, okay, by giving them all fine leaves of gold. Okay, and Swallow was the person who brought it. Okay, so now the Happy Prince statue was completely empty. There was nothing precious on Happy Prince statue. So one day when the counselor and the mayor were passing from the place, they saw the statue like poor. The statue was looking like poor. Okay, so they order. Okay, they started quarreling with each other. Okay, for what? So they wanted to break down statue, because the statue was made of precious metal. So now the statue was completely empty, because all the precious things were given to needy ones. Okay, by Happy Prince, by Swallow. So that's why they wanted to melt the statue. They are fighting for melting the statue. The statue must be melted, and after melting it, they must prepare one more statue for them. Okay, they wanted their statue. Mayor and councillor wanted to make their statue. From where? From the melting material of Happy Prince statue. So they order for that. Okay, and one day it was the chilly winter. Okay, so the Swallow had died one day at the feet of Happy Prince. So when the Swallow had died at the feet of Happy Prince, so the Happy Prince heart cracked into pieces. Okay, Swallow had died at the feet of Happy Prince, and after death of Swallow, the Happy Prince heart cracked into pieces, and the mayor and councillor ordered to melt the statue. Okay, so it was a time when they are going to melting the statue. So everything is melted except Happy Prince heart, except Happy Prince broken heart. Okay, so the two things they thrown on the heap of garbage. The one is dead body of Swallowword, and number two is the broken pieces of heart of a statue. So two things were thrown on a statue, because his heart couldn't melt. So that's why they throw the pieces of heart on heap of garbage, and also throw the dead body of Swallow. So God was looking everything, and God gave order to his angel. Okay, the God has ordered to angel or messenger to go on earth and bring two precious material, and bring two precious things for me. Okay, so the angel came to the earth, and there were only two precious material on whole earth. The one is the dead body of Swallowbird, and the second one is the piece of heart of Happy Prince. Okay, so both were brought to the heaven, and God was waiting for that. Then God grace the Swallowbird. Okay, and God grace the Happy Prince. Okay, so what about the Swallow? Swallow will sing a song. Swallow will tweet. Swallow will sing melodious song. What was the duty of Swallow in heaven? So Swallow will sing a song in heaven. Okay, number one. And what about the Happy Prince? Happy Prince will appreciate or admire the swallow singing in his city of gold. Okay. Happy Prince will admire the melodious song of swallow in his ruling, means in his city of gold. So God grace both of them for their sacrifice, for their supreme sacrifice. So it was the chapter number 5 from your supplementary reader book, The Happy Prince. Okay, we'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.